Yes. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon to all. So, because the timing has been changed, you know that 10 minutes before we are going to start. Okay. So, this will be your regular timing at that 1:50. Is it clear to all? So, 10 minutes before, that is our class will be starting at 1:50 onwards. Understood? So, this will be our regular timing of 1:50. Now, uh, already we have discussed about the soil, isn't it? So, what is soil? So, students, one by one, tell me uh, this, what is soil or what is the importance of the soil? Can you tell me? So you can give one importance each, one by one. Those who are knowing, you can start typing what is the importance of soil. Yes. Okay, start. Students, what is the importance of soil? Yes. So Sharpur is saying we can plant trees. Okay. So plants or plant trees. Second one. Yes, we grow trees. Another one. And now I want another one. What is another? Another only plants, or we can only plant the trees. What is the next one? Yes, agriculture. Okay. So agriculture. Next, another one. It contains earthworms. Yes. So we can write down microorganisms. Isn't it? That means it contains the microorganisms that help to increase the fertility of the soil, that helps the plants to provide the various kinds of fertilizers. Okay, then small organisms. Yes, analyze home for microorganisms. Yes. So, uh, so small organisms also mean small insects. It is a home for small insects. It helps to grow food. ये हमने लिख लिया है food, यानी कि agriculture, plants, यानी forest, isn't it? Yes. Then Srivatsa, soil are essential for healthy plant growth and human nutrition and water filtration. Okay. So soil is helpful for water filtration. Yes. Again, anybody else? It gives us important nutrients. So, nutrients to plants. And it provides the nutrients to plants. Okay? So, students, these many things is provided by the soil. Okay? So, these many things are provided by the soil to us. Again, we can write again so many like shelter, or it helps to construct. You might have seen that in villages or in forests. if there is no transportation or not such facilities, so the people they make their shelter or make their home with the help of the mud itself, the soil itself. Okay, so it is also helpful to build a shelter or to build or to construct the houses, small huts, isn't it? So these things are provided by the soil. This is the importance of the soil. We can plant the trees, isn't it? Decompose waste, yes. So use it to decompose, decompose. So see how many things you can see the importance. So many things are there. Again, if you write, if you discover again, so many things we will get, isn't it? So yes, fiber, flow, food, shelter, cloth. All these three things are provided by the soil. Understood? We are not dependent on any this. If we say nowadays we are dependent on the factories that they will produce or artificially if anything is produced, we will get it. But if you just imagine during the ancient time, at that time also people were living, but they were not dependent on the factories or such kind of industries and all. They lived totally dependent on the nature. So plants provided the food, plants provided the shelter, plants or soil provided the shelter, and plants only provided the clothes. Isn't it? The plants that we get from the soil. Okay? Yes, support. Yes, Srivatsa. So regulate the Earth's climate. Very good. Soil is home to many organisms. Yes, we have evidence. Soil helps the microorganisms. Microorganisms live in the soil. Small insects also live in the soil. So many beetles, butterfly moths, worms, they live. Then water filtration, then nutrients. Nutrients, then shelter. So these are the various things that is provided. The means it is provided by the soil to us. We are so much dependent on the soil. और उसी soil को हम खराब करने में लगे हैं. This is a resource, but we are exploiting it. We are not using it properly. We are misusing it. Isn't it? Anywhere, we can say that we are going on constructing, we are going on strengthening the roads, we are building the bridges and buildings, and the part of the soil is slowly and slowly covered. Okay, so this is all about the soil. So these 9 points everybody have understood. Is it clear to all? If it is clear to all, then you write down C. Type it C if you have understood this. Yes, C type karo. Good. Every point have understood. Type C. Everybody. I should see everyone. Everyone should type. और वो भी जल्दी जल्दी. Yes. Your response should be very fast. Okay? So this is all about the soil. Good. Now, the next thing. So students, Yesterday I have shown one small video. Again I will be showing you the videos. So base the same on the soil, on the food. Understood? तो ये जो है videos, they are based again on the soil and food also. Again tomorrow I will be showing you. Now हम धीरे धीरे इसी तरफ जा रहे हैं, हमारे गोल के तरफ जा रहे हैं कि जो फूड है हम कैसे उसको बना रहे हैं, प्लांट्स को कैसे सेव कर रहे हैं, and ultimately the soil, isn't it? Yesterday you have seen that in the video, a land that was very much barren, जहाँ पे कुछ vegetation नहीं था, वो land 10 acres land जो है वो उन्होंने लिया और उस पे फिर धीरे धीरे उन्होंने प्लांटेशन किया, zones के हिसाब से प्लांटेशन किया है. One zone was only the medicinal plant, one zone was only the crop plants, one zone was only the forest, one zone was just like a park they have made, and then slowly it was converted into a green vegetation, forest, etc. Slowly the water from the canal was diverted into the place, into the field or the park where they have constructed, and it was slowly developed. Understood? तो ये सब immediately नहीं होता है. Slowly then the canal was converted into a brook. जो छोटा सा झरना ऐसे बह रहा है, वो झरने का पानी it got infiltrated into the soil, and slowly the soil, the forest converted into green and more green. तो इसके लिए बहुत साल लग जाते हैं. So slowly development हुआ. Then slowly the birds they came, so many animals they came. Understood? So here also you might have seen that colony में जब ये starting में colony बनी थी, Ambuja की colony, so here was only cement everywhere and only the quarters, but slowly plantation was done and the plants they grew slowly, and now you can see that everywhere big plants are there. So many variety of birds we can see, variety of animals also now we can see, isn't it? तो अभी हमें बहुत सारे variety देखने को मिलती है, isn't it students? So if there are plants and a good kind of vegetation, we can see the animals also. अगर हमने पेड़ को काट दिया तो क्या होगा? Their habitat will be disrupted, and the animals also will die. Understood? Because they are of the habit to sit on that tree, they are of the habit to live on the tree, and if we are cutting the trees, what will happen? They will die. क्योंकि उनका घर हमने काट दिया है, घर उसका डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया है, isn't it? So we are not thinking about the small things, but these small things is affecting our nature. It is affecting the ecosystem in which we are living. और धीरे धीरे फिर ये एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करती है, like today's problem, that is the global warming, isn't it? Yes Maharashmi, that different types of soil are there, and abhi tak now just we are at the introduction only. We will see the type of soil also. Okay, we are just now at the introduction. What is soil? What are the types? What are the uses of the soil? Or धीरे धीरे then we will go towards the type of soil. अभी नहीं, next. Okay, so this one is clear to all now. So students, when the soil sample is taken, when the soil sample is taken and it is filled with water. So you can see that at the top, leaves or some kind of waste material, the types of remains of the leaves and the plant. This we can see. So this is nothing but the humus. और ये जो humus है, it is very important. Humus is the black color topmost soil which have so many nutrients because it is the topmost soil. It contains the dead remains of the plants and the animals. They decompose and it is very fertile. It is very nutritious for the plants. बहुत सारे nutrients होते हैं plants के लिए जो टॉप मोस्ट सॉइल होती है क्योंकि बारिश का पानी आता है then the leaves and the parts of the plant, the dead remains, they start decomposing, they decompose and the soil becomes more and more porous. Microorganisms जब रहते हैं soil के अंदर the soil is porous. Porous means very much loose. So this loose soil is helpful to keep oxygen to the plants because the plants also need oxygen. Plants also need oxygen. Understood, students? Their root also needs oxygen. So these humus is the nutritious soil. The decomposed material is mixed in it and it is black in color. So the uppermost layer is the humus. Then this is the water. Then is the clay. Clay, the fine one, the fine particle. Then is the sand. And the gravel. Now this gravel is the small stones. Gravels is the small pieces of stones which are there in the soil. Understood, students? Is it clear? Students, have you filled the attendance yesterday? I have posted in the WhatsApp group. Have you filled the attendance of yesterday? I told you I have posted it in the WhatsApp group yesterday. Have you filled it? Okay. So now, yes, Srivatsa. Yes. So which soil is considered to be the most fertile and used for growing crops? Now here, Srivatsa, just you wait. We are going for that point only. Slowly we are moving towards that. Which soil? Because अभी तक हमने types देखे नहीं हैं. Okay. So when we will study the types of soils, at that time we will discuss each type separately, and then we will come to know which soil is the best for the crops. Have you understood? Man, in humus only there is dead matter, no rocks. Yes. Yes, Garima. Humus is the topmost soil. So topmost soil में कहाँ rocks होते हैं? Rocks are not there. Rocks are at the last layer of the soil. Understood? So this humus which is at the top, we can see only the fine soil which contains the dead remains. Dead remains, whatever the waste is on the top of the surface of the soil, that gets mixed, that gets decomposed, and it is very very fertile. है ना? Have you understood? Okay. So this is only if we are going to take a simple sample of soil. Just we take like sample from the garden or the sample from our home, the ground, and if we are putting some water in it, so we can see such type of layers. If you want, you can also do it and you can also watch it. Okay, is it clear? So you can see that the leaf, the parts of these small particles, they will be floating. So this is humus. Because it is very very light, then water, then the clay, because it is very soft and very fine, then is the sand, and then सबसे नीचे में होता है हमारे gravels. Okay, clear? So now, okay, so the next point that is yesterday that we have seen was about the plastic. Isn't it, students? Everyone knows about the plastic. Yes or no? If you know the disadvantage of plastic, if you know the adverse effect of the plastic, then you type yes. That means why. If you know, yesterday we have discussed yes. So type it why here. Everybody. We have already discussed yesterday, isn't it? So plastic is harmful, plastic destroys the soil, it also decreases the fertility, it decreases the microorganisms, and at the last, can you tell me what is the property of the plastic? Yes, कोई बता सकता है प्लास्टिक की प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? But nowadays people are also discovering some another kind of plastic, that is, yes, can you tell me? Anybody from the class can you tell me the property of the plastic? It is that already you know. Yes, very good, Elias. It takes years to decompose. That means, in one word, what you are going to tell? Yes, Elias. What is that one word given for that? Yes, Jayan. Oh, Jayan. Jayan, less leaves. ये आप देखो यहाँ पर पूरा फॉरेस्ट ही फॉरेस्ट है. Now they are cutting the trees. So the soil in our colony is very very fertile. आपने देखा होगा बिल्कुल black है, black soil है, and that black soil is because of the fertility, because of the content of the humus. Understood, students? Yes, indecomposable. So Alice is saying indecomposable. थोड़ा सा और स्ट्रेस दो, वो कौन सा वर्ड है? Alice is near to that word. Alice, you are near to that word. Yes, yes. What is that word? What is that word? I actually want that word. Plastic is. Anybody? Okay. So no problem. But Alice was almost near to that word, and that word is yes. So I will write down now. The word is non-biodegradable. सिक्स्थ क्लास में पढ़ा था आप लोगों ने बायोडिग्रेडेबल एंड नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल, isn't it students? Biodegradable and non biodegradable. So plastic is non biodegradable, that means it cannot be decomposed. Understood? Yes. But what is it? It is non-biodegradable. Understood, students? So you can type it. Type non-biodegradable. Everybody, type it. Yes, good. Non-biodegradable. Everybody type it. I want everyone to type this word. Non-biodegradable. Type karo. Word is hard, but it is, yes, it is a natural resource. Yes, non-biodegradable. Okay, understood everyone? Soil, the plastic is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means, biodegradable means which can be decomposed. Decomposed कौन हो सकता है? Living and non-living things, isn't it? Living things can be decomposed. जैसे plants है, animals है, या plants के या animals के पार्ट से बने हुए जो चीजें हैं वो भी decompose हो सकती है, but these things cannot be decomposed. Plastic. Okay, so it is non-biodegradable. Yes, it takes 450 years. So many kinds of plastics are there nowadays. Eco-friendly plastics are there. Some plastics can be recycled also. Some plastics can be again they can be decomposed also. But nowadays, now they are again on a research to take only degradable this plastic. Okay, so now that is in process, isn't it? So this is non-biodegradable plastic. So आप सोचो कि just you think only just everybody close your eyes for 2 seconds and you think in our daily in a bin we are throwing so much of plastic. So एक के घर में इतना सारा प्लास्टिक निकलता है. So in our India, where the population is 135 crore, तो इतना सारा प्लास्टिक जनरेट होता है, इतना सारा प्लास्टिक डिकम्पोज होता है, not decompose, dispose, isn't it? तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? Again into the ground, sometime into the drain. So many problems are arise. So this was about the plastic that we have already seen. Okay, understood, students? Is it clear? Now the next part. Yes. Yes. Nowadays, I told you, nowadays some kind of cellulose के material बनने लगे हैं, या फिर ऐसे भी the research is going on, and again new type of plastic which can be degraded fast or which are biodegradable, that is also going on. So it might happen that within few years we will get such kind of plastic also biodegradable. Okay. So this was about the soil profile. So this glass, this is about the soil profile. Soil profile means what are the layers of the soil. Now, so now soil profile we will start tomorrow. So your homework for tomorrow is definition of weathering. Write down in your notebook. Then soil profile. Okay. And also draw. ड्रॉ क्या करना है सॉइल प्रोफाइल so this is your homework for tomorrow students I will be asking you so attendance fill the attendance students fill the attendance and this is the homework tomorrow I will be asking you these things about the definition of weathering soil profile humus and also draw the soil profile okay and everybody should sit with your homework you have to draw yes draw in the notebook you have to sit with your notebook because I may take the class on Zoom also and ask you to show the notebook so be ready with your notebooks okay so thank you students